I think I could put the camera case upside down on the mount on my forehead and look higher up, which could be fun to do too. Oh, car coming, looks like totally foolish. Howdy. This really is like a third eye, isn't it? Well, it is a third eye, but is it like a, quote, third eye, unquote? Maybe. You're seeing beyond yourself, your illusion of the corporal self. Oh, it's so pretty. What I'll give you since you've asked is all our time together. Take the rugged sunny days, the warm and rocky weather. Take the roads that I have walked along, looking for tomorrow's time, peace of mind. As my life spills into yours, changing with the hours, filling up our world with time, turning time to flowers. I will show you all the songs that I never sang to one girl before. We have seen a million stars lying by the water. You have climbed the hills with me to the mountain shelter, taking off the days one by one, setting them to breathe in the sun. And take the lilies and the lace from the days of childhood, all the willow winding paths leading up and outward. This is all I give. This is all I ask you for, nothing more. Oh. It's so nice to speak or be alive and know that perhaps, just perhaps, someone else you love may be listening. These are the little oak guys. They're coming out slowly. They're little new pink leaves. Or did I just touch some poison oak? I don't think so. You're still pretty even if you're poison oak. Where's my car? Where's my car? It's gone. It rolled down the hill. Where'd it go? Did I lock it?